Imagine seizing the Gaza flotilla boats and paying compensation to Hamas's victims. Imagine Israeli farmers charging terrorist leaders with war crimes in The Hague. Imagine a court order finding BDS activists liable for the cancellation of a pop star's concert in Tel Aviv. These would be powerful achievements on Israel's behalf, wouldn't they? All these and more were accomplished by Shurat Hadin in 2018. Now, you can do more than just imagine. Because in 2019, Shurat Hadin will vigilantly continue the legal battle on behalf of the Jewish state. Join us in going on the offense against the anti-Semites and the haters. Fight back against the boycotters and the rioters. Support Shurat Hadin because there's so much more to do. Every dollar that you donate will be matched by generous donors. That means twice the impact in holding terror organizations accountable. Donate now. Shurat Hadin, safeguarding Israel, doing justice. Fight back against the hate.